Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, today we're going to go over how to wash your car just using a basic car wash detergent. So what we ended up doing was putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons in our current water. What you want to do is pay attention to the back of the label on the product that you're going to use. It will tell you roughly the ratio that you need. We also have a bucket that's just water, so we can rinse our wash mitt and then apply a clean coat with our soapy water bucket. So now that we have our wash mitt on, if you haven't mixed it already, we're just going to use the mitt to get some suds going to make sure it blends through. You want to rinse down your mitt, start to apply your coat. So the goal here is to find any thick spots where we've had any kind of droppings from tree sap, animals of the flight kind, and then any dead bugs that you may have hit in those late night drives. Today we're going to focus on a little bit of our headlights, this front bumper, we want to make sure that we get around all the edges of each. So if we get to any spots that have some caked on bugs, spend a little extra time putting in some elbow grease. So as your mitt dries out, what you want to do is put this in that rinse bucket with just plain water to try to get rid of any of the dirt, debris that's caked on into the mitt, and then transfer it over into the soapy water. So based on the fact that we're not outside and we don't have access to a hose, what we're going to do is take a different wash mitt. We're going to get it wet and we're going to help rinse off what we had applied. Normally you'd want to go out and use a hose. If it's raining, it doesn't help you. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to be using this mitt. Now we're going to take a drying towel and just wipe off all that excess water so we don't get any water spots. Sure, if you have this visor guard in the front of the car, that you get in around the edges so no water settles. So what we just did was take a cloth towel, dipped it in some of our soapy water just so we can clean off our plastic here.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.